Welcome back. Let's do question 7b. In the diagram, a solid right triangular prism with sides 8 centimeters and height 15 centimeters is given. Calculate the total surface area of the prism. Alright, how can we find the surface area of this prism? We can find the area of these two triangles, and then after that we find the area of the lateral rectangular surfaces, and there are three of them. Okay, there's rectangle ABCF, rectangle FCDE, and then rectangle ABDE. And then if you check, all these rectangles are congruent. They are just same size, 8 by 15. Right, let's start by finding the area of the bases, which are the triangles. Right, we can use the area rule. But if you check, what can you say about the sizes of angle B, angle C, and angle D? These angles are all 60 degrees. Why? Because this is an equilateral triangle. BC is 8 units, CD is 8 units, BD is 8 units. So it's an equilateral triangle. The interior angles of an equilateral triangle are all 60 degrees. Alright, so we can say angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D, and then all are equal to 60 degrees, and then there is an equilateral triangle, right? And then after that we can find the area of triangle BDC. Since triangle BDC is congruent to triangle AFE, it means that once we find the area of triangle BDC, we just multiply it by 2. So let's find the area of triangle BDC. We use the area rule. It's going to be half. And then let's take any side. Let's take this side and this side, and our included angle then. So it's going to be 8 times 8, and then sine 60 degrees. Okay, and then this will give us 16 root 3. That is the area of one triangle. Right, now the area of prism now. It will be the area of one rectangle times 3, because these rectangles are just the same. So it's going to be 3 times, then one rectangle is 15 by 8. So it's going to be 15 times 8. That is the area of all the lateral rectangular surfaces. Then plus the bases. There are two of them. One base is an area of 16 root 3 square units. Now if there are two, we say 2 times 16 root 3. And then you just put this in the calculator. It's 415,4 square units. That's the area.